Okay, this is Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. The safety is in the up position, manual safety doing its job, down position. That's all good. But the problem is in the up position, once the spring's worn in, you got this slot, as you can see, on the top. And this spring was actually falling down and staying right about there. I bent it so it kind of comes back up, and that's just enough to engage. But when it's in this position near the top, watch what it does. I don't think that's good. So, see if I can make it stay in that position. No, it's going to go up just enough. Yeah, that's just enough right there. Maybe not. All right, let's take it apart. See what's happening. Goddamn California bullshit. Okay, so that little spring right there, let me get a pointer. That tiny little guy right there gets kind of bent in. Oh, now we're blurry. That little guy. And allows a certain amount of play on the top. And if you look at how the safety works, this bar blocks this one. And as the safety comes down, the thing is, disengaged, there's all kinds of room. If you're going to come back, engaged, it has to be right there. And if it's just down a little bit, just like that, it kind of, if it's that far, there's no safety at all. Just like being way down there. They could fix this so easily just by making like this little bar just twice as tall. And then it could have this slop and not be an issue. But right now, we got this going on. Yeah, if you send it into Smith & Wesson, they're going to replace the spring. This little guy right there. I mean, that's the totality of the little bump is the spring. And that's what holds this in the up position and sort of in the flop position and the down position. When you get these guns new, they're super stiff and they barely move either direction. But after 100 or 200 cycles, the spring gets a little squished and it gets easier. But it can get too easy, as in this case. I mean, that shouldn't stay in that position. It should stay in that position because that little tiny difference is the difference between this and this.